The soil used for bonsai is an important factor in the health and growth of the tree. Here are our top 5 basic tips for the best soil for bonsai. And please subscribe for more. Bonsai soil should allow excess water to drain away quickly to prevent root rot. A mix of coarse and fine particles can help achieve this. Bonsai roots need oxygen to thrive. Soil with good aeration allows air to circulate around the roots and prevents compaction. Bonsai soil should be able to hold enough moisture to keep the tree hydrated without becoming waterlogged. Bonsai trees require nutrients to grow and thrive. A soil mixed with organic matter such as compost or bark can help provide the necessary nutrients. Bonsai soil should have a neutral or slightly acidic pH level to promote healthy growth. The best soil for bonsai depends on the species of the tree and growing conditions. However, these are some general guidelines that can help you choose the right soil for your bonsai. There are different soil mixes available for bonsai, including pre-made mixes or DIY options. Some popular soil components for bonsai include akadama, pumice, lava rock and peat moss. The specific soil mix for your bonsai will depend on the species of tree and its growing conditions. It's important to research and experiment with different soil mixes to find the best one for your bonsai. We hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please subscribe for more.